All right, here we are, June 25th. We passed the summer solstice. My YouTube channel got hacked, I do believe. Can't get into it. I'm not even sure this one will make it. But I'm gonna try to see what happens. But anyways, last week I extracted 10 frames from, and then I made a 2-frame split because we were in swarm mode again. So let's see this week what we're up to. And if you haven't been following along, you're new to this, she's 3 years old, so not sure what we're gonna do, what we're gonna find. Half the time it's super procedure queen cells, half the time it's swarm cells. So let's wait and see. I don't know what I'm gonna find in here this week, but I've definitely, when I start thinking about what I've gotten off this hive so far, I got 3 splits and so far 17 frames of honey. So I think I'm doing pretty good from this girl, from this hive. So let's see what we got going on today. Always makes me nervous. Hoping we can just focus. It's overcast. And I'm looking for eggs, but I don't think I'm gonna be able to see eggs today. So bear with me. Just bear with me. We're working on it. We do have a little patch of young larvae right there, so that looks 3, 4, 6 days at the most. So that puts it after I was in here. So she should be here somewhere hiding. But the numbers, I took a pretty hefty swing last week when I took that split. So numbers aren't what they've been in the past, but they're still a little angry. I mean, they're still in my face. Not terrible. Not like last, what, 3 weeks ago? 4 weeks ago. I don't even think you guys could hear what I was talking about. Oh boy. So here we are. So you see on the bottom, you have a capped queen cell. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to cut it. Now, people ask why. For one, I don't have any more equipment. For two, I'm not going to wait the whole period of letting this emerge. Let's see how old it is. Not very old. So you see what I'm seeing here. I don't know if it's going to come in. But not very old, and I'm not concerned about it. So if I do want to replace this queen, I want to take a split I've already got a laying queen with and put her in so they don't skip a beat. I don't want to. I don't want to lose the end of June, early July flow. So that's why I cut them out. I know it doesn't work for everybody, but if you got splits growing, why wait the whole process? Just put that split right in here. They don't miss a beat. They keep going forward. And the other side of it was, that wasn't really a good looking queen cell. I want a big fat one. But anyways, that's why I do it. I know I get a lot of questions why do I do it. Why do I just cut it out? If they're going to replace her, I already got 3 started. If I don't find her today or next week, I just pop one of those splits right in there. So this is a frame I gave him last week. All right, girls, I know we're still a little testing. We're in the camera's face again. I don't know what the camera did, but let's see where she is. So she's down this end. Doesn't look like a lot of brood so far. So doesn't look like much at all. There's very little down on the other end. So maybe it's time, but I'm not. Oh, there we go. Okay, here we are. So these are better looking. See how they're nice, very white. These are much better looking. So the key is here. Where's my queen? As you can see right here. Beautiful. Didn't come in focus. There's too many bees around. I can't tell. There they are. 2 queen cells. Oh, what do I do? What do I do? Maybe I let it go. I don't know. Like I said, I'm out of equipment. Let's see what we're doing here. This could be the end of the series. So, 1, 2. So frame 6, right? 6 from the left. It's got my queen cell in it. All right, now I want to find the queen. And I make a decision here. Because something is up. Because I'm not seeing, before, I was seeing a lot of cap brood. And a good laying pattern. So I really didn't see anything that would be a problem. Nothing I certainly wanted to replace. So let's see. So if I don't find her and I don't see any brood, which I'm really not, I'm gonna let that one ride. That's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna pick the best out of the 3, out of the 2 there, or 3. I think there's 3, but one's not capped, so I'll chomp that one. I'm only gonna leave them 1. But let's see if she's down this end. You never know. This is where all the older drawn comb is. Okay, so there's no brood. All right, so we need to make a decision today. There's no brood down here. Those are just cups, because there's not even eggs for anything. So is she just running around a dud, or is she gone? That is the question. All right, so there's eggs right there. And they look like they're in a good spot. So let's see what we're up to. So she's obviously failing. And I'm not gonna go with those. So, cha-cha-cha-cha. All right, sorry, I know this video is gonna take forever, but I gotta try to find her. Gotta find her. So I got eggs over here. I don't know. Let's see. So these frames down this side and this end are all older frames, perfectly drawn. So this is where I'd expect to find a lot of brood, opposed to the newer frames, not even drawn out, where I just put in last week. And this is all majority honey. So, where is she? Where is she? So the thing I do is when I do leave a queen, so make sure I only leave 1. Because if I leave too many, they'll cast out multiple little swarms. I'm not seeing her, and I don't see eggs. So I might backtrack. A little lady, huh? 3 years. She's been doing videos for 3 years now. Just trying to see if she's running around aimlessly. That's it. Could say this is the end of the dynasty. I'm gonna let her ride here. I'm gonna go back, I'm gonna chop all but 1. And hope they don't fly and they just they reproduce, but there is no brood in here. Nothing significantly enough to be concerned that I don't think they would swarm. I think they would just supersede because they don't feel like they have a queen. All right, that's it. I've seen what I need to see. We're gonna backtrack. Come on, hold on, ladies. We are gonna backtrack, see if I can find the queen to that frame that has the queen cells, and that's what we're gonna do today. Long video today, but that's it. I don't see a little lady. So I've seen eggs, not on this frame. I'm gonna look on the next frame one more time. So I'm gonna kind of give you the process of what I'm gonna do here. Don't see a queen. Don't see a queen. Don't see super numbers either. So let's see here. Let's try to smoke these girls a little bit. All right. Come on, not in my face. Not in my face. Come on, girls. All right, so we have a problem. So I do believe this is the frame. Which is right there. 1, 2, small little patch. And they're on the bottom and they don't look like there'd be a problem. There's only one egg in there. So what did we do here? Alright, I'm not seeing it. So eggs could be 3 days ago. Could have been 20 minutes ago. There's another one. Yeah, there's some more. It's just very small. There's a problem. One way or the other. I got to make a decision today. And like I said, I'm out of equipment. So maybe that's the choice. Maybe we'll watch that. We'll make a video on this. And I'm going to let them replace her. And they've already started a queen cell. So it's already capped. So that's already knocked 8 days off the calendar. So let's see what we got. Let's see here. Oh, well, hold on, ladies. Come on. All right, so this is no eggs, drawn comb, no brood. So she's thin. I know I'm just babbling at this point, sorry. I'm just looking through, trying to see what I need to see. Hoping to find her to be sure. Be crazy if they raise a new queen and she's still here. Wouldn't be unheard. So I'm just trying to be quick. Alright, so this is the frame I want. This is the come on, move it over, ladies. Move it over. Maybe we're testy because we knew there's a problem. But she looked good to me. I don't see her here. And there they are. Alright, so what I'm going to do here, I'll show you. So, I don't like this one because it's skinny and small. I don't want the one that just started. It's not even capped. So what I'm going to choose here is alright, I am going to go with this one. This one's going. So, that's it. I left them one. Now I know they'll probably, maybe they will, maybe they won't. I'll be in next week to know for sure. But, oh, sweating, sorry. They'll probably make another one with the eggs that they do have. but I can't find the queens, so I'm gonna let that ride. I don't think they're gonna swarm. And I guess it's a gamble we're gonna take. So tune in next week, see how bad I made a mistake. Thank you for watching.